a beautiful day out today. Beautiful. The sky is perfectly clear and blue. Right at the moment it's 60 degrees. It was 37 degrees when I woke up this morning, around 5-ish. Brr. And I looked at the predictions starting, I think it's tomorrow or the next day, supposed to be back up in the 90s during the day. A little hard on the plants, knowing whether it's fall or summer. But yesterday was, oh man, yesterday was something else again. I'm going to insert some videos here that show you just a few seconds of what yesterday was like. Well, the cover's off of the garden. I had to take it off yesterday or it's going to blow clear away. We got by with just a bunch of leaves in the yard, but some people had way worse damage. Not so much right around here, but the whole area, all of Oregon, I think. And a lot of people had to evacuate because there were fires. Some really bad ones. So we consider ourselves lucky when all we had was lots of wind and leaves coming off of the tree. So it feels good just to walk around the yard here a little bit this morning. And then I think I'll go in and show you some of the things that I've done in the last few days. With some of the things that I've been preserving. Oh, let me turn this around and show you the leaves. You see all those leaves on the ground. Yeah, so that's the extent of our damage. Not much compared to a lot of people. Oh, it looks like my petunia container blew over. That did happen. That just needs me to come along and... Okay, one of the things that I've done in the house here is to plant some things that can go out in the garden in the fall and be okay when I have to put my row covers on. And I just planted it yesterday, but I see I have a little sprout coming up already. I think that row is lettuce. I did lettuce and arugula and kale, chives. Let's see, what is that other one? some nettle and some dill, and forget what the other one was. We're having to be very alert because our new kitty is a climber. And my bag of dirt, I think I'm going to put out on the porch because she keeps trying to get into it. To my knowledge, she hasn't pottied into it. She just likes to dig in it. Okay, I showed you the other day that I was drying some banana chips. I got lots of them there. Okay, this is all rose petals, and they're infusing in some oil. Let's see, I believe this is the one that I used the almond oil with. Can't remember for sure. I used almond oil. I want to put an avocado oil on. Another, some up here. Another one that's the rose petals, and then this one is calendula. And then I have the other calendula right here that I did a week or so ago. And here's the summer squash that I dried to make chips out of that we can put in soups or just eat if we want to. And I have various dried herbs here: borage, sage, lemon balm, basil, thyme, mint. And because I know you like to see her, here's our new little one. She goes in this evening to stay overnight at the vet, and tomorrow she gets fixed. And I think I told you that already in the last video. They'll do a checkup, make sure she's healthy and what have you. So she'll come back a new little kitty. Maybe that'll calm down some of her kittenness. Hopefully. Like I said, she's a climber. We've been lucky so far. This is the first cat that we've had that's been that much of a climber in here in the bedroom. She was up at the very tip top of this mirror this morning. The very tip top. My goodness. So, well, you're seeing me in the mirror. Camera around so you're seeing me this way. Oh, here. There's a mirror over here too. Usually don't see all of me. You usually just see my face. And, oh yeah, I hardly ever wear shoes when I'm around the house. So I hope you're having a good day. I know compared to yesterday, today's a good day. But there are a lot of people, you might keep them in your prayers, a lot of people that are affected by fires and the wind. Horrible, horrible winds that we had yesterday did not help matters any. A lot of people from various places around the state had to be evacuated. And I haven't heard this morning whether they've gotten things under control or not. Anyway, oh, and yes, our Christmas wreath is still on the wall. We put it up last, November? It'll come down this November when we put our new one up. It stays there all year. Anyway, that's all I'm going to blabber on about today. Just wanted to touch bases with you, let you know that we're okay here, but I know a lot of people aren't. So please keep them in your prayers. Places like Montana getting way down, freezing snow, etc. And that shouldn't happen for another month or so, but it did. Our weather's crazy. And the fires here in Oregon, and I think there's some in California too. I don't know if there's fires other places. Well, there's some in Washington. We're just right 10, 12 miles from the Washington border. But up in the northern part of Washington, I know there have been some pretty severe fires in northeastern Washington. So prayers for all of the people in Washington, Oregon, California, every place where there's fires. Fire's a scary thing. And let's pray for their safety and for the losses are minimal. And hopefully that there's no loss of life. Well, may the good Lord richly bless you. And I will see you on my next video.